Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome at the new video on the YouTube channel TradingHelp. Today I want to show you the Excel table which I created. This table calculates how much money you need to be a rentier now. So, let's start. Now I'm on the Excel table and you can see that this table has two sheets. In this video we'll use more the first sheet, second sheet is more for you. In this video I want to show you 3 examples of people with different deposit. First person, let's say that now we are the person who lives in his own house and who don't have any family. It means that our expenses are small. Let's say that we need every month profit $1,000 and we are from the same country like the companies. For example, USA. It means that our taxes are 15%. Also let's say that we are using safe average dividend strategy. More about this strategy is in video, everything about dividend. And we found 5 companies which market cap is since $4 to $50 billion. And the average of all dividend yield is 6.83% per year. By the way, these stats we will use throughout the video. So yeah, here's the result. If you need every month profit $1,000 and your dividend yield is 6.83% per year, so you need $202,049. Maybe now you think that it's too much, but let's say $202,000 to be rentier forever is not so much. What do you think? Second person, now let's say that we are the person who has a wife who works and 2 children who are students. We're living in our own house and we don't have any debts. It means that our expenses are middle. Let's say that we need every month profit $3,500 and our taxes are 15% and average of dividend yield is 6.83% per year. So yeah, here's the second result. If you need every month profit $3,500 and your dividend yield is 6.83% per year, you need $707,174. I think this is the most common type of person. So, let's take a closer look. Average wage in USA in 2022 is $82,985 per year. It means that if you are average person and you don't spend anything, so you will give the goal price approximately in 4-5 years. I think that everyone can save every month at least 25% of your wage. And also invest most of your bonus. So, it will take you approximately 12 years to get $707,174 and be rentier forever. Third person, now let's say that we are the person who has a wife which doesn't work and 4 children who are students. And we don't have our own house, so we have to pay rent. And we have, like before, dividend yield 6.83% and 15% taxes. It means that our expenses are very high. Let's say that we need every month profit $7,500. So yeah, here's the third result. If you need every month profit $7,500 and your dividend yield is 6.83% per year, and your taxes are 15%. So you need $1,515,373. Okay, so this were our 3 persons. If you have some other dividend goal, so you can download this table for free on my website and calculate your own dividend goal. Now, let's watch on the second Excel list and try one example. This table will calculate your monthly profit from dividends. You have to only write your dividend yield, then percent of taxes, and most important is write your deposit. Let's try it. Let's say that my dividend yield is 6.83%, taxes are 15% and my deposit is, for example, $37,000. So yeah, like you can see with this deposit is my monthly profit from this investment $179. Okay, this was our example for this Excel table. This table you can download on my website for free. I think that this table is more for you because everyone have different capital and I think that everyone can get very important information thanks to this table. So, this is everything of these 2 tables. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. This is important, Because more subscribers mean more videos, new series and many more for you. If you like my videos, you can watch some my another video. I wish you big profits with your investments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.